In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix lag on my PS5 Remote Play. So what I did firstly is that I went into settings right here, as you can see, and then I went into network. And now on network, you're going to then click on settings and then click on set up internet connection. And now you will be able to see the Wi-Fi that you're connected to. And now what you're going to do in here is to just click on the options button on your controller here and click on advanced settings. And then scroll down and you can see the DNS settings right here, right? So click right here and change it from automatic to manual. So now when you have done so, primary DNS should then be 1.1.1.1 as you can see, and the secondary DNS 1.0.0.1. This is what I did myself, and then I clicked on OK. And you're just going to wait a couple of seconds now for it to actually load here. As you can see, it says connecting to the internet, should be fine. Now go back and click on users and accounts here and click on other, click on restore licenses, and then just select all of the games here and click on restore as you can see, and then click on yes, and then just wait for it to restore. So try this and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.